Yo, what's up everyone? How are you guys doing? I'm really good. So today in this video, it's been so long since I came KL, right? Okay, wait a second. Oh, don't get confused, huh? I didn't cut my hair. Okay, so basically, since I came KL, I just exploring Bukit Bintang, Wan Utama, like explore some places, but I haven't go like to a lot of places. There's so much of place I know in Selangor. I need to do a lot of research, and in this video we are going to explore Sunway Velocity. I wanted to go that place so long. I want to explore it, so this is the time that I'm going to go explore Sunway Velocity. So let's go. Enjoy this video. So I literally thought that Sunway Velocity and Aeon Maluri is the same thing, but it's not. Aeon Maluri is the one behind me and Sunway Velocity is back there. The shape of Sunway Velocity is like some kind of like you know the ball. I like the structure actually, so let's go inside and see what they have in Sunway Velocity. let's say if you guys want to go Aeon, not Aeon, Sunway Velocity. It's not at Aeon Maluri actually, it's at Cochrane. So literally if you guys see back side of my, like behind me, this is my town. And if you guys take this bridge right over here, and it will straight bring you to Sunway Velocity. So I just got confused, like Aeon Maluri and Sunway Velocity is the same places, but no, it's different. So yeah, maybe next time we'll come back again at night time, because I saw they have a lot of lights. So I wonder what nighttime looks like. So now I'm going back home. I hope you guys enjoyed traveling with me. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and starting next week I guess I'm gonna change my style of making video just for experimental until December. So until December I'll make some experimental videos to see does it work out for me. So we'll check it out, we'll make some videos, and if doesn't work out then I'll come back to traveling lah. I'm just gonna try to do some other stuff in my YouTube channel as well. So hope you guys will stay tuned and watch it and support me. Yep, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys next week. Peace.